So I'm gonna be working on the valve cover today. I'm gonna try and get it powder coated. Okay, so I already have this first coat laid down. It's the smoke gray that we used on our other parts. I've never done anything like this, so hopefully this is gonna turn out the way I want. I'm gonna lay the micro pearl, the lilac pearl, down over this gray. After that, we're gonna go back and mask off everything and hope able to powder coat it the wrinkle black, and it comes out, you know, how I picture it. So let's see. All right, there we go. Valve cover's all masked off. Everything that we just sprayed with our smoke gray and then our lilac purple clear. Now what I'm gonna do is spray our wrinkle black, and I'm just gonna dust off all the letters, and I think we're gonna get a good finish just like that. Ready for this? I'm gonna be installing my ABS delete kit. I got a new proportioning valve, I got new brake lines, and we're gonna be able to delete the ABS box. We don't need that, so let's get it out. I'm gonna go ahead and spray down all the areas where I have to remove the lines with some PB Blaster. As you can see, I already did it once. I'm gonna do it one more time just to make sure that we don't have any problems when we're trying to take it off. I want it to just come off easily. So give everything a quick little spritz, and that's gonna help us out. There we go, got the ABS delete all completed. All the hard lines installed, new proportional valve installed. Thanks Andrew for coming by, giving me a hand. I wouldn't have been able to finish it without him. I was already tired and I was over it, but came over here and made a quick work of everything, so I really appreciate that. All right, so that's gonna be it for today. I just wanna take a moment and thank AD for finding me that Hyundai valve cover, and Striker over at Blue Streak Fabrications for welding the fittings on for me. I also want to thank Michael V for finding me the ABS delete kit. That was kind of hard to come by. And last but not least, I'd like to thank Andrew for coming by and helping me get it all installed. So until next time, guys.